So, today is the first class of our PYQ series. So from today we will start from Polity because we have read our basic books and Lakshmikant one times. So let's start. So our first topic will be historical background and basic concepts. When you see historical background, then two question from 2022 to 2011. Only two question was asked. But why this chapter is important? Because it has linkage with modern history also. That's why this chapter is important, right? And when it comes to basic concept, only six question asked till 2011 to till 2022. So let's start. First topic will be historical background. In 2022, just pause the videos and try to read the questions. So in 2022, question was related to Government of India Act 1919 and specific related to reserved and transfer subject. Okay. So here I will going to provide the list of reserved subject and transfer subject. So reserved subjects include justice, policy, land, revenue. But in transfer subject, local self government, education, public health, public works, agriculture, forest and forestry and fisheries were included. So I am expecting from you that please memorize it properly, because if in case this question were again repeated, then you can handle it properly. Okay. Second question was that the distribution of power between center and state in Indian Constitution is based on the scheme provided in the. It's about distribution of power between center and state. So here the option will be Government of India Act 1935. But one request from all of you that please revise Morley Minto Reform 1909, Montagu Chelmsford Act 1919 and Indian Independence Act 1947 along with Government of India Act 1935. So a small detail about Government of India Act 1935. Here this act provided three lists: federal, provinces, provincial and concurrent. In federal list 59 subject were added, in provincial 54 and concurrent 36. Okay. And one more things was added that there is residuary power given to governor. Okay. And one more provision was that it abolished diarchy in provinces. But adoption of diarchy at center. Please try to memorize it and make it very careful here. Diarchy was abolished in only provinces, but adopted of diarchy at central level. Okay. In this provision, provincial autonomy were provided. Okay. Next question from basic concept. Please pause the video and read the question. What do you mean by in the context of any country, which one of the following would be considered as part of its social capital? First of all, you should be aware about what is social capital. It's about social, not physical, right? So social capital means values, belief, attitudes that help to govern the nature of social interaction. Okay? Social interaction, this is the values, belief and attitude that helps in social interaction. Okay. So let me give you a correct answer of this question. First option, the proportion of literate in the population. No. The stock of its building, other infrastructure machine. It's about physical capital, not about social capital. The size of population in the working age group. It's not. No. The level of mutual trust and harmony in the society. It's about values, belief, attitude that is helping to govern a society. That means option D will be the right answer. Next question is one common agreement between Gandhism and Marxism. So here question is expecting from you that you should know the basic idea of Gandhiji and Karl Marx. Okay. So here the correct answer will be a final goal of stateless society. Yeah, option A will be the right answer, because Gandhiji believed in Ram Raj, that means self-governing individual. It's more related to a stateless society, and in same order, Marxists also think about a stateless society. So it will be the common agreement between Gandhiji and Marxism. But when we come to class struggle, evolution of private property, and economic determinism, it's all only exclusive to Marxism. Marxism, right? Because class structure, that means haves and haves, a struggle between haves and haves not. That means poor or rich. I hope you are getting my point. Next question. In the context of India, which one of the following is the characteristic appropriate for bureaucracy? I hope you are all aware about that. Bureaucracy is the permanent executive body, right? Bureaucrats जो होते हैं permanent executive होते हैं, ठीक है? That means permanent executive, that means implementing a policy. So as per the concept, the answer will be agency for the implementation of public policy. Next question is about best defines the term state. So state, it's about what is state. There is let me tell you about the state. As per the political science, there are 4 essential features of a state. First, it should be population, territory, government, and a sovereignty. Sovereignty, that means sovereign body, independent. So the first option will is a community of a person. Community of a person permanently occupying a definite territory, independent of external control, and possessing an organized government. Here the 4 essential features were fulfilled. That means community of person, that is population, right? Definite territory, it's about territory. That organized government, government, okay? Independent of external control, that means sovereignty, right? So the answer will be first. Next question is which one of the following factor constitute the best safeguard of liberty in a liberal democracy? The answer will be separation of power, because it is the most appropriate feature of a liberal democracy. Okay. Next question is what is the position of right to property in India? It's about right to property in India. It is a legal right under 44th Constitutional Amendment Act, article number 300A and part 12. It's applicable to any person. It's not an exclusive right. It is applicable for any person. Thank you. We will continue our next topic from next video. Thank you. Next topic is salient feature of the Constitution. So please pause the video and read the question and try to attempt it. Okay. The question is related to 5th schedule, and we all know that 5th schedule is related to administration and control of scheduled areas and scheduled tribe. Article number 244 clause 1. It is applicable for only 10 states. Please keep in mind it is only for 10 states, and here governor can make a regulation for the peace and good government after the consultation. Please try to focus on that word, after the consultation with tribes of advisory council. Okay, so here the option, let's read the option. This would prevent the transfer of land of tribal people to non-tribal people. Okay, this would create a local self-government. No. Here the option will be A. My motto is not to discuss answer. My motto is to tell the importance of PYQs. So here we read about 5th schedule, but your responsibility is to read about 6th schedule also, because it may be important for your upcoming UPSC 2024 prelims. Next question is, please pause the video and read the question. It is related to parliamentary government. So please try to recall the points related to parliamentary form of government. It's like Article 74 and 75 talks about parliamentary system government at union level, and Article 163 and 164 at state level. Here, here executive is responsible to legislature. Okay, but in presidential form of government, executive is not responsible to legislature, and president is the both head of the state and the government. And here there is only one executive. Okay, so if we read option number 3, cabinet is headed by the head of the state, that the statement is wrong. It is not in parliamentary form of government. So if we eliminate option number 3, so we find out the answer. So here option number A. Okay, next question is related to anti-defection. Anti-defection, it's a very important chapter. You should read about anti-defection law from Lakshmikant. Like now option is 2nd schedule, 8th schedule, 5th schedule and 10th schedule. So you all know that 10th schedule, 52nd amendment 1985. It's a request that please read 2nd schedule, 8th schedule and 5th schedule. It is important because indirectly question was asked. Like indirectly UPSC mentioned that topic in question. Okay, the next question number 12. Again it is asking about 5th and 6th schedule in 2015. In 2015. Okay, in 2022 question was also from 5th schedule. If someone did PYQ analysis properly, then he was able to solve the question number 9 in 2022, because it is directly linked. Both question number 12 and 9 is linked. Okay, so 6th schedule, we already talked about 5th schedule. Now 6th schedule. 6th schedule is related to Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. Here it's about to protect the interest of scheduled tribes. Here the option number A will be the right answer. Okay. Okay. Next question is right to vote and to be elected in India is it's a constitutional right. Okay, it's a constitutional right. Article 326. Okay, talks about universal adult suffrage, age 18 years. Initially age was 21, but under 61st constitutional amendment 1988, age was reduced to 18 years. I hope I am clear. What is fundamental rights? Fundamental rights, it is for everyone. Fundamental rights is for everyone, irrespective of caste, religion, sex, creed, place of birth. But constitutional right is based on certain grounds. Here we are seeing that you must attain the age of 18, then you will have right to vote. So there is a difference between constitutional right and fundamental rights. And what is a natural rights? It's morally granted to all the people by birth. ये बर्थ से ही आपको अप्लीकेबल होगा. ठीक है. एंड लीगल राइट, व्हाट इज लीगल राइट? इट इज कोडिफाइड इन लॉ. आई होप आई एम क्लियर and you all know you are able to understand about the what is fundamental right, what is natural right, what is constitutional and legal right. The next question is cabinet form of government. When we see the question number 10 in 2013, it's asking about parliamentary form of government, and we already discussed about it. Cabinet form of government is also known as parliamentary form of government. ठीक है. So see option number C, 14 option number C, a mechanism of parliamentary democracy for ensuring collective responsibility of the government to the people. So option number C is the right answer. So read properly. Cabinet या parliamentary form of government and all its features along with presidential form of government. Okay. Next question is related to federalism. It's asking about not a feature of Indian federalism. So federalism concept derived from Government of India Act 1919. Okay. And Article 1 talks about India, that is Bharat, shall be a union of state. It's about shall be a union of state. But when we see the statement D, it is the result of an agreement among the federal units. No, it's not the right answer. It is not an agreement. Article 1 clearly talks about India, that is Bharat, shall be a union of state. Okay. So what is your important key takeaways? Federalism features. You should read about federalism features properly. Another question is the main advantage of the parliamentary form of government. The executive remains responsible to the legislature. It provides continuity of policy and is more efficient. No. How? Because maybe currently BJP is in BJP. Maybe in next term some other government will come. So it might happen that the same policy will not continue. So it is a not an answer. Option C will be the correct answer. Question number 17. Under which schedule of the Constitution of India can the transfer of tribal land to private parties for mining to be declared null and void? Again same question. If you read in 2022 and 2015, 2022, 2015, 2019, 3 years, fifth schedule was asked. So again, it's a very, very important topic. Fifth schedule, you should read properly. You all know that third schedule is related to oath and affirmation. But here, president, vice president, governor, not mentioned. There is an exception that here president, vice president, governor's oath and affirmation is not mentioned. Okay. 9th schedule, if you put any law under 9th schedule, then it cannot be challenged. Okay. And again 12th schedule related to municipalities. Next question is related to 9th schedule. 9th schedule. Again in 2019, 9th schedule, it's talking about under which prime ministership 9th schedule was introduced. So yes, of Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 19. Please pause the video and read the question carefully. Question of the Constitution of India define its basic structure in terms of federalism, secularism, fundamental right and democracy. Define तो नहीं है ना. It's not defined. It's not. Time to time our Supreme Court is giving some basic structure. Like initially in Constitution it does not define basic structure. So its option is not correct. Again wrong. First statement wrong. And Constitution of India provides for judicial review to safeguard the. In Constitution there is nowhere judicial review word is mentioned. If you read Article 13, even Article 13, then you will not find any judicial review words in our Constitution. So for that reason this option is also incorrect. So here D will be the right answer. Which of the following is in Indian polity an essential feature of the in that is federal in character? Again federalism. So federalism is very, very important topic. You should read about it properly. In next video we will talk about preamble citizenship, and so on. Thank you.